അപ്പോൾ ഓക്കെ, ഇനി നമുക്ക് ആറിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ മാത്രമേ ആറുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് പഠിക്കാനുള്ളൂ. അത് ഓൾറെഡി സെൻസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. ദേ ആർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, ദേ ആർ സ്റ്റഡിയിങ്, ആർ ദ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, ആർ ദ സ്റ്റഡിയിങ് എന്ന രൂപത്തിലുള്ള സെൻസുകളെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി ഉണ്ടാക്കി. വാട്ട് യു ഹാവ് ടു ലേൺ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് the negative and negative question forms. Okay, it's very simple that you have already learned how to make a negative sentence when you learn the am, is. Okay, in the same way, no difference. And here, so let's change they are students into negative. How we change it? Just add a note like they are not students or they are not studying. You can use they aren't students, they aren't studying. Now you just look at this table. You have already made sentences using this table. Now what you have to do is just convert all those sentences into negative sentences using note. You just add a note after are and then it becomes negative sentence. For example, they are not waiting for me, they are not watering the plants, etc. Okay, now you have to make negative questions, just like are they not students? In Malayalam, the meaning is like our vidyarthigalalle. Okay, you know this already. And are they not studying? The same sentences, just like we have already told, it can be used shortened form. Aren't they students? Aren't they studying? Okay, such examples can be used. Now you have to make maximum sentences using this negative question. Okay, aren't you coming with me? നീ എൻ്റെ കൂടെ വരുന്നില്ലേ? Aren't you coming with me now? Aren't you going there? അങ്ങനെ മാക്സിമം സെൻറ്റൻസുകൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. Okay, now you have learned how to make negative questions. Now you just look at this table and change all these sentences into negative questions. For example, are they not waiting for me? Are they not watering the plants? Etc. Okay, and maximum you have to make all these sentences into negative questions. Okay, this is all for now, and you just practice all very well. See, again and again, I tell you, practice and speaking is the only way to improve the language, to learn a language. Just learning the rules and regulations and keeping in your mind doesn't work out. It doesn't give you any output. To speak the language, you have to practice well. Means you have to speak, you have to make the chance to use all these things that you have learned. You have to just like that I have told you, you have to create the situation with your friends, with your family members, whoever you want. And so speak, practice and practice. Okay, next I'll be coming with a practice session so that you can test yourself how much you have improved. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.